We've all been there before, where we sit down to enjoy a nice slice of toast, and then we realize. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make butter at home by using a container with a tight lid and some heavy whipping cream. Today my container of choice is a mason jar. I'm going to open it up and then I'm going to fill it up only halfway with the heavy whipping cream. You want to make sure that you leave some space inside. We close our lid tightly and shake, shake, and shake. After about 10 minutes of shaking, you'll notice that the heavy whipping cream has started to thicken up. After 15 minutes of shaking, you've noticed that you've now made whipped cream. Go ahead, you can taste it. After shaking for 20 minutes, the butter is now starting to form inside of your container. And after 35 minutes of shaking, you now have a container of homemade butter and buttermilk. Now that we're all done, you can go ahead and grab your butter knife, grab your toast, and spread that butter all over. And enjoy! Thanks for watching!